Hey guys, so I know what it's like to have so much going on, and then you want to have a planner and you want to get organized, but then when you look around at all these other planners, everything seems so complex and overwhelming. And for me, I like to just have everything as simple as possible so I can be very driven and very focused to get everything that I need done. So I created this undated monthly planner, and this is more of a simple minimalism kind of planner that just doesn't have a whole lot to it, but it's so that you can not be distracted by just too much chaos in a planner. It can help you to really stay focused and just really dive in to your day and go, okay, I'm going to get this done. That really helps me to stay driven, is to just go, okay, what is my biggest priority? What do I need to do today? I've got my top three. So this is available in Google Sheets and Excel. This is available at savvyandthriving.com. And I'm going to show you how it works. So and I'm in Google Sheets now. There's multiple different tabs on the bottom. So as you just click over, you can get to the tabs. The instructions tab will have the link to this YouTube video when I'm done with it. So we're here on the planner dashboard, and you can hit the zoom button and just zoom out even to 50% if you wanted to see the whole thing. But I'll just go down to, let's just do 90 for now so that you can see it. So this is just as simple as can be. So this is your to-do list, and this is kind of like looking at everything in your life as a whole. Like, we've got the monthly, daily, and weekly planner, but in my dashboard, like, what's my most important things on my to-do list? So let's just say that, we've got to get dog food. We've got to, make the doctor's appointment. We've got to, return a book because it's due. So once you get it done, you can just check it off that it's done. So it makes you happy inside. This is an easy shopping list, so we'll just put on simple things, meat, chicken, beans. Whoop! Beans. We're just typing in the cell here, and then when it's done, you can check it off. Now here's your top three. This is your biggest priority. If you wanted to rename it, you're just going to highlight this and just type in your top three, or biggest priority. Biggest priority of the week. Let's just say that it's return a book because that's stressing you out. Maybe it's call the doctor. Maybe it's, do the laundry. Sometimes life can be just about like what is like hanging over your head, stressing you out. Like, if I could just get this knocked out of my way, I can just breathe a little bit better, sleep a little bit better. So whatever your biggest priority, put there. Motivation, you can just say things like, work hard, play hard. You could say something that I learned this week was be consistent. Being a leader is really about being consistent daily. When everyone else is out there doing, they're not getting it done, you're being a leader and being successful. Let's just say successful is being consistent daily. When everyone else is kind of dreaming about it, you're actually getting stuff done, like me. Your goals. My goal is to drink more water, walk 5 days a week. So here we've got another place for reminders. Hey, pick up, dry cleaning, whatever is your reminders. Your daily checklist, whatever, you really want to do. What I do for me, I have a little checklist. I actually print this thing out, and I have a dry erase marker, and I've laminated it, and I just I'll check off every day on what I'm doing because I want to be consistent. Because if I can be consistent every day, then I'll eventually get it all done. Meal plan. This is just a quick glance at what you're eating for the week without having to look at this thing. You're just like, hey, what's my plan? We're going to have some sandwiches, whatever your plan is, and thoughts. If you just want to jot down, I want to schedule a massage and get my nails done. Whatever your thoughts are, you can put that on. So this is your dashboard. This is your monthly planner. So when you get it, it is going to look very similar to this. It's going to be very, very blank when you get it. So this is just a blank planner. So you can create this however you want to, if you want to come in. And once you put in the numbers, like the first, on the very first row of that square, if you put in the numbers, it's going to highlight it for you. So that way you can just take this and do whatever you want with it. So Mondays, if you have yoga at 12 noon, you can just have that and you can copy that down for Mondays. If Wednesdays you've got soccer at 7 p.m., you can do that. Whatever is on your calendar. And then here's your weekly planner. This is a very, very simple Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then you've got a little to-do list. So this is like easy 5 action items for your day so that you can be organized and go, okay, what's the five most important things? Sometimes I look at my, checklist and I get a little overwhelmed with, there's so many things on this. I'm a little overwhelmed with all the things. But then if you just take it, like this week for me, I'm like, okay, I've got, like I had my checklist and then I just put dots next to them and I like to print mine out. But if you go, okay, today, what's my action item? What's the most important thing? Get car tags renewed. I got to do that. If you want to highlight this, you can also do a fill color and then you can, make it a pretty color so that you can, highlight it. You want to put it in bold or italics, whatever's going to, make you put stars around it because this thing's do whatever, that's another way that could help you out as well. So this is really simple to use. And you can put your to-do list here, get groceries, we're going to say date night Friday. Oh, Mom, that's important. And then daily planner, another really, really simple list. To-do list for today, I am going to, check emails, make social media posts. And as soon as I'm done, I just check that off. Priority list, what's most important? Get car tag renewed. Exclamation point. That's important. And then notes, whatever's on your brain. And then lastly, the meal planner. We can come in here and then put whatever we want for the week. So if we want to say, Monday breakfast is a smoothie, lunch is a salad with chicken. If you're not eating so healthy, it doesn't matter. This is your life, not mine. Lasagna with garlic bread. And then snacks, if you're going to have an apple and peanut butter. Whatever you want to do. You can make this for your family. You can make it for, your personal, your couple, whoever this is, you can do this. But you can also print this out, which is really nice. So if you hit the print button, this will print. Do landscape and fit to height, and then it should print out. You just hit next and it'll print for you. So that is a super, super simple planner. If you would like this is going to be available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. And I appreciate you guys finding me, and I appreciate you watching my channel. If you need anything else, I've got tons of sheets. Check me out. Have a great day. Bye.